How do you edit a short in a Capcut on the iPhone? Let me show you how it would work. If you're new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So the short, the difference between a regular video and the short one, which you will upload to YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels, the difference is that the video is vertical. So the editor, which you use for it, also needs to support vertical video editing, which is likely the case for most video editors. But if we focus on a Capcut specifically, what you have to do is to get inside and either import the vertical videos right away and the project will take shape of that. But if not, you can as well just get inside any project, and at the bottom you will see the ability to click the aspect ratio button and choose from the built-in original one to the 9:16, which is indicated by the TikTok icon, meaning that this is the format for editing vertical videos, right? So that is how you can make sure that you are getting the format and the size of the short, right? The vertical one. But other than that, the regular video editing tips and tactics apply here too. Like you can as well add multiple clips in a row, organize them, cut, trim, and also like add transitions, apply some overlay or add a text or effects or anything that you want. Obviously, it all comes down to your project and the creative tools you want to use, but that is all. Just do not forget to remove the ending from the project and also tap on export, and the finished video will be saved in your gallery. But that is how it is going to work. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in future videos too.